to a new lesson from the Tarik platform. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, you can visit our platform's website to explore this incredible lesson, completely free of charge. Let's get started! Ready to code under the full moon? In this lesson, you'll create a magical wolf that howls when you open your mouth. All thanks to computer vision and AI. You'll learn how to detect your mouth movements using face mesh and use that signal to make your wolf sprite change costumes and play a spooky howl sound. By the end of this lesson, you'll have your own interactive AR wolf that responds to your face in real time. Have you ever heard a wolf howling at the moon? Imagine controlling a wolf just with your face. When you open your mouth, the computer will detect it and make your wolf howl. That's computer vision magic. Let's code your wolf. First, open the Tarik AI coding interface. This is where your clown transformation begins. Click Try to see the final result. Or click Build it yourself to follow each coding step and create it your way. Your browser may ask for camera access. Make sure to click Allow so the filter can see your face. If anything doesn't load, just hit the Reload button and try again. Step 1. Add the Face Mesh extension. Click Extensions, select Face Mesh. This gives your computer the power to detect your mouth, eyes, nose, and more. Step 2. Add the wolf sprite. Select the wolf sprite. Click on Events and drag the When Play button is clicked block into your workspace. Add the Forever block under the Start block. The Forever block makes sure the wolf is always checking your mouth for signals. Step 3. Detect mouth open. In this step, we will use a new block called If-Then-Else block. The If-Then-Else block is like the wolf's secret mouth detector. It keeps watching your mouth all the time. The moment you open your mouth, the wolf gets super excited and says, "Aha, that's my signal!" Then he stands up and howls at the moon. But if your mouth stays closed, the wolf doesn't see any signal, so he just sits down quietly and does nothing. That's the magic of this block. It always knows what to do. If the condition is true, mouth open, one thing happens. Else, if it's false, mouth closed, something different happens. The wolf never gets confused. He always follows the right choice. Let's code it. Go to Control Panel. Drag the If-Then-Else block and place it inside the Forever block. But what is the If-Then-Else block? The If-Then-Else block helps the computer make a choice, just like you do every day. Example in real life. If it's raining, then you take an umbrella. Else, if it's not raining, you wear your cap. So the computer is like a little detective. It always asks, "Is this true? If yes, I'll do this. If no, I'll do something else." In coding, if-then is what happens when the answer is true. Else is what happens when the answer is false. That way, the computer never gets confused. It always knows what to do. In the wolf case, condition, is your mouth open? If yes, then the wolf stands up and howls at the moon. Else, N-O, the wolf sits down quietly and stays calm. Imagine the wolf is watching you all the time. If you open your mouth, that's the secret signal for him to howl. But if you keep your mouth closed, he just waits, sitting peacefully. Let's code it. Go to Face Mesh extension. Drag the Expressing block and place it inside the If-Then-Else. block. Select mouth open from the drop-down. The if-then-else block is like teaching the computer how to make choices. It's always checking a condition like, is your mouth open? If the answer is yes, then the computer does the first set of instructions. In our case, the wolf stands up and howls. Else, if the answer is no, it does something different. The wolf just sits quietly. See? The computer never stays stuck. With if-then-else, we give it two paths to follow, and it always chooses the right one depending on the condition. That's what makes coding so smart. Step 4. Make the wolf howl. Makes the wolf stand when you open your mouth. Click on Looks panel. Add a Switch Costume to block. Inside the If, Then block. Select the Fox Bee costume. Wolf standing. Makes the wolf howl when you open your mouth. Click on Sound panel. Add a play sound, wolf howl, until done block inside the if-then block. Each time you open your mouth, your wolf changes pose and howls at the moon. Costumes are like photos in a flipbook. When they switch fast, your wolf looks alive. Step 5. Make the wolf sit quietly. Now let's teach the computer what to do when your mouth is not open. That's exactly why we have the else part. Go to the Looks panel, drag the Switch costume to block, and place it inside the else part of the block. Choose the Fox Z costume, which is the wolf sitting pose. This way, the wolf has two choices. If your mouth opens, it howls. Else, mouth closed. It switches to Fox Z and sits quietly. See? The else part makes sure the wolf always knows what to do when the condition is false. Step 6. Try it out. Hit play and test your wolf. Open your mouth. The wolf howls. Close your mouth. The wolf stays silent. Bravo, young coder! You just made a wolf howl using AI and facial landmark detection. That's the same kind of tech used in fun AR apps like Snapchat and Instagram. In this lesson, you learned how to use the if-then-else block. This block helps the computer make choices. It has 3 parts: the condition, the then, and the else. The condition is the question the computer checks, like, is your mouth open? If the answer is yes, the computer runs the instructions in the then part. For example, the wolf stands up and howls. If the answer is no, the computer follows the instructions in the else part, like the wolf sitting quietly. That way, the computer always knows what to do, no matter what happens. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, you can visit our platform's website to explore this incredible lesson, completely free of charge. See you soon in the next lesson!